Before you spend your hard-earned cash, make sure to do your research. In this video we're going to be covering the top 5 smart cooking thermometers. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. When it comes to grilling or smoking meat, precision is key. That's why we recommend the Govee Wi-Fi meat thermometer. This wireless thermometer comes with 4 probes, allowing you to monitor multiple food temperatures at once. With a measuring range of 32-572 F and an accuracy of 1.8 F/1C, you can trust that your meat will be cooked to perfection every time. But what sets the Govee Wi-Fi meat thermometer apart is its smart features. It connects to the Govee Home app via Wi-Fi, sending instant notifications whenever the temperature goes outside your presets. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this thermometer will provide suggestions based on your desired doneness for various types of meat. With a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can rely on this thermometer for up to 40 hours on a full charge. And not only is it long-lasting, but it's also eco-friendly. However, it's important to note that you should avoid exposing the probe to open flames or water immersion for accurate measurements. For a convenient and reliable cooking experience, choose the Govee Wi-Fi meat thermometer. Grill more efficiently and achieve perfect results with ease. If you're someone who loves cooking and grilling, the Instant Chef is the perfect kitchen gadget for you. With its ultra-fast and accurate readings, you can easily measure the temperature of your food in just 2 to 4 seconds. Whether you're frying beef steaks, grilling pork, deep frying fish or potatoes, or having an outdoor barbecue, this thermometer provides you with precise temperature references. The Instant Chef is designed for easy usage. Simply unfold it and it will start reading immediately. It also has an auto switch-off feature after 10 minutes of inactivity. You can choose to display the temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit, and it has a wide temperature range from -58 F to 572 F, 50 C to 300 C. The thermometer even has a hold button to lock the temperature, allowing you to closely monitor the temperature of your food. With its large backlight screen, you can easily read the temperature even in poorly lit kitchens or outdoor settings with excessive light. The built-in magnet and large hanging hole make storing this thermometer a breeze. And with its ergonomic handle, you'll have a comfortable grip throughout your cooking process. Upgrade your cooking game with the Instant Chef. Let's talk about the ThermoPro wireless meat thermometer, a must-have tool for any grill master or home cook. With its advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, you can track temperatures from a whopping 650 feet away. Simply leave this thermometer beside your grill or oven and monitor the cooking progress remotely using your smartphone. And with the user-friendly ThermoPro barbecue app, you can receive real-time alerts, set custom alarms and timers, and even view graphs of your cooking data. But that's not all. This smart thermometer also helps you effectively manage your time. Its advanced estimator algorithm can estimate the proper cooking time, ensuring your meals are perfectly timed. Plus, you can set pre-alarm notifications to remove your meat from the heat at the ideal moment. Accuracy is key when it comes to cooking, and the ThermoPro delivers with its highly accurate dual meat probes. These probes can monitor internal meat temperatures and ambient temperatures up to 572 F with an impressive accuracy of 1.8 F. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The rechargeable transmitter of this Bluetooth thermometer can hold a charge for 8 months, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. The large backlit LCD display shows temperatures for both probes, allowing you to quickly glance and get all the important information you need. To top it off, ThermoPro wireless meat thermometers are Bluetooth certified, ensuring flawless wireless operation based on official Bluetooth standards. With its long-range connectivity, precise measurements, and convenient features, the ThermoPro wireless meat thermometer is a game-changer in the kitchen or at the grill. Upgrade your cooking skills and achieve perfection with this incredible tool. When it comes to cooking, precision is key, and that's where the ThermoPro TP03 meat thermometer comes in. With its instant reading capabilities and high-precision sensor, this thermometer will give you accurate temperature readings within 3 to 5 seconds. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, this thermometer can handle it all with its wide temperature range of -58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. The foldable probe design makes it easy to store and transport, while the magnetic back and hook provide convenient storage options. Worried about leaving it on? Don't be. This thermometer has an auto shut-off feature that activates after 10 minutes of inactivity. Plus, it comes with AAA batteries included. Cooking in low light conditions? No problem. The backlight LCD display ensures clear visibility, whether you're grilling in the evening or cooking indoors. Get precise cooking temperatures every time with the ThermoPro TP03 digital meat thermometer. The ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a must-have for any kitchen or grilling enthusiast. With its fast and accurate temperature readings, you'll never have to guess if your food is cooked to perfection. The 3.9-inch food-grade stainless steel probe and high-precision sensor deliver internal temperature readings within 3 to 4 seconds, accurate to 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. No more wasting time leaning over a hot surface. This meat thermometer is completely waterproof with an IPX6 rating, allowing you to wash it under running water without worry. Cleanup is ultra-fast and effortless. One of the standout features of this thermometer is the lock function, which allows you to lock the current temperature when the probe is removed from the food. Say goodbye to dangerously peering into the oven or grill to check the temperature. The ThermoPro thermometer is also designed for ease of use. It features a foldable probe design, making it easy to store in a drawer. You can also use the magnetic back or hook for convenient storage options. Calibration is a breeze with this thermometer. The calibration function ensures that your digital thermometer stays accurate over time, making it a barbecue thermometer that will last a lifetime. Whether you're grilling, smoking, frying, or baking, the ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer will be your reliable kitchen companion for accurate and convenient temperature readings. Get yours today and take your cooking to the next level. I hope you enjoyed the top 5 smart cooking thermometers. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.